the farmer's market. Let me check the angle. I'm going to make these brown butter pecan chocolate chip cookies, and there's already 2 sticks of butter. It's so much. I'm gonna go ahead and brown this. It smells good. The brown butter. It smells like graham crackers almost. Where's my whisk? Oh, there's the oven. That was my first time making brown butter. I think I did all right. Whoa, look at this texture. This is so interesting. I really want to clean my room because it's kind of messy right now. I want to reorganize some parts of my room. Let's get started. Break something. Good morning, everyone. I've been wanting to reorganize my room, so I'm gonna do that right now. So here is my area. I want to move it against the window. So I think I might move this to a different table. It's so cute, right? But now I have that desk and I don't know what to do with that because it'll be kind of weird if I put it like right here. Like it won't match. So we got this, what is this? This beef pho. We're trying it out right now, but we're trying this other one from Kroger. And Kroger Asian food's alright. So I don't know. Then these are the, what are these? Ice cream sandwiches. These are really good. And then then we also got sesame, honey, cashew. These are really good. You have to try these if you ever go to Trader Joe's. Vegetable bird nests. They're just like tempura vegetables. Is this alright to show? Is it too much? This is the before process. It's our new pot holder. Look, this yard. This is, oh my gosh, my English. This is the pot holder. It's cute, right? Doing nothing. Yeah. Why is it not good?
But I gotta stare to see what's gonna happen.
Playing from Alex Bondoc's iPhone.
Hello from my new desk area. I don't know if I'll move it back. But like I like it here because like it's always dark in my room and I wanted like better light.
Because I started talking about a project, so I'm gonna do the
I'm eating Senegal. It's really good. I love Senegal. I'm shrinking. Hello everyone, I'm cutting my bangs because as you can see, I just straightened them and they are so, I didn't realize how long they were. I trim maybe every 2 weeks. I think I'm only gonna start cutting a little bit in the middle because I really want to grow my hair out, but at the same time I like my bangs. Perfect cut. Dreads, Lola.
Oh, wow. Oh,
Which one? Just get that. Oh, I like it. It's like strawberry pineapple. It's good, right?
I don't know how
Oh, these are the tacos.
Sweet potato.
Well, these look good.
It's General Cho.
Do you want to have one?
We're at the farmer's market and we're trying to find like the Filipino stand. Which one do you want to get?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. How are you po?
Very good. Ano po? Buko pie.
Okay. Hi. Well, these look pretty. I like how they showcased everything. Right? That's pretty, right? Whoa, look at these. What's your best seller?
Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Just the small ones. You want to sit here, Alex?
What? Hold on. I'm confused of where we are. I look so classy. It looks like I'm in Italy.
I like the
I want to see if the photo's good. Doesn't it look like we're in Italy or something? We went to the German bakery earlier, and then the guy recommended the chocolate croissant and then the blueberry Danish. These are really well made. Like, look at that.
This the bread is so good. I remember the photos and I saw this face.
Okay, this is the blueberry Danish. The blueberry Danish.
I used to see this thing.
These are good.
Probably
Like this over here?